Welcome to Engine Explorer, the place where horsepower meets luxury. Today we're stepping inside a motorhome that's changing the game forever. This isn't your granddad's camper. This is the 2026 RV with 4 private bedrooms, a high-tech cockpit, and a drive so smooth, you'd think you're flying first class on a private jet. Let's dive in. At first glance, it looks like something out of the future. A sleek aerodynamic body sitting on a 16-wheeler frame, with diamond-polished chrome trims, active aero vents, and full-body LED lighting that gives it presence even in the dark. It's not just a ride, it's a moving mansion. But the real magic? It's inside. The main entrance opens with a biometric lock and silent motorized slide. As you walk in, you're greeted by a panoramic smart glass lounge that can tint with the tap of a screen. Soft touch suede walls, heated marble flooring, and ambient RGB lighting set the mood instantly. There's even a retractable 85-inch OLED TV rising from the credenza. And yes, this RV has 4 full-size bedrooms. Each cabin is fully soundproofed, climate-controlled, and comes with a memory foam queen bed, workspace, and smart assistant. You can even set individual lighting moods, music, and temperature per room. It's like every guest gets their own personal hotel suite. Moving on to the kitchen. It's not a kitchenette. We're talking full residential appliances, an induction stove, convection oven, dual-door fridge, and even a hidden wine chiller. The countertops, polished black quartz with integrated wireless charging zones. And yes, there's a dishwasher too. The bathroom, tri-spa, rainfall shower, smart mirror with real-time weather and skincare analysis. And yes, heated floors and a Japanese smart toilet. This isn't camping. This is rolling royalty. But what really blew us away is how it drives. The 2026 model is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric turbine, giving it 200 HP of silent thrust and the smoothest ride in RV history. It literally feels like you're gliding. The suspension auto levels based on road conditions, and the cockpit is straight out of a luxury jet, complete with a heads-up display, adaptive cruise, lane centering, and even AI-assisted autopilot. Safety? Bulletproof. 360 HD camera monitoring, motion tracking, emergency lane shift, and adaptive collision prevention make it one of the safest homes on wheels. The price? Well, with all the options shown here, you're looking at around $1.9 million. But hey, can you really put a price on freedom, luxury, and home wherever you park? So would you trade your house for this? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more insane machines just like this. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, where the road is just the beginning.